Sell unused items online.
Sell unused items online.
Sell unused items online.
Sell unused items online.
Invest in stocks.
Invest in stocks.
Invest in stocks.
Invest in stocks.
Start a blog.
Start a blog.
Start a blog.
Start a blog.
Offer freelance services.
Offer freelance services.
Offer freelance services.
Offer freelance services.
Rent out your car.
Rent out your car.
Rent out your car.
Rent out your car.
Teach a skill online.
Teach a skill online.
Teach a skill online.
Teach a skill online.
Write an ebook.
Write an ebook.
Write an ebook.
Write an ebook.
Create an online course.
Create an online course.
Create an online course.
Create an online course.
Tutor students.
Tutor students.
Tutor students.
Tutor students.
Start a YouTube channel.
Start a YouTube channel.
Start a YouTube channel.
Start a YouTube channel.
Become an affiliate marketer.
Become an affiliate marketer.
Become an affiliate marketer.
Become an affiliate marketer.
Trade cryptocurrencies.
Trade cryptocurrencies.
Trade cryptocurrencies.
Trade cryptocurrencies.
Start a small business.
Start a small business.
Start a small business.
Start a small business.
Create a podcast.
Create a podcast.
Create a podcast.
Create a podcast.
Become a virtual assistant.
Become a virtual assistant.
Become a virtual assistant.
Become a virtual assistant.
Offer pet sitting services.
Offer pet sitting services.
Offer pet sitting services.
Offer pet sitting services.
Do online surveys.
Do online surveys.
Do online surveys.
Do online surveys.
Start a catering service.
Start a catering service.
Start a catering service.
Start a catering service.
Become a fitness trainer.
Become a fitness trainer.
Become a fitness trainer.
Become a fitness trainer.
Rent out your home on Airbnb.
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 Start a dropshipping business.
Start a dropshipping business.
Start a dropshipping business.
Start a dropshipping business.
Create handmade products to sell.
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 Develop a mobile app.
Develop a mobile app.
Develop a mobile app.
Develop a mobile app.
Start a photography business.
Start a photography business.
Start a photography business.
Start a photography business.
Offer home cleaning services.
Offer home cleaning services.
Offer home cleaning services.
Offer home cleaning services.
Become a real estate agent.
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 Write and sell your music.
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 Become a personal chef.
Become a personal chef.
Become a personal chef.
Become a personal chef.
Become a wedding planner.
Become a wedding planner.
Become a wedding planner.
Become a wedding planner.
Rent out your parking space.
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 Sell your art.
Sell your art.
Sell your art.
Sell your art.
Become a voiceover artist.
Become a voiceover artist.
Become a voiceover artist.
Become a voiceover artist.
Develop a software.
Develop a software.
Develop a software.
Develop a software.
Offer gardening services.
Offer gardening services.
Offer gardening services.
Offer gardening services.
Start a bakery.
Start a bakery.
Start a bakery.
Start a bakery.
Become a food delivery driver.
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 Write for a magazine.
Write for a magazine.
Write for a magazine.
Write for a magazine.
Become an event DJ.
Become an event DJ.
Become an event DJ.
Become an event DJ.
Offer computer repair services.
Offer computer repair services.
Offer computer repair services.
Offer computer repair services.
Run a bed and breakfast.
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 Become an online coach.
Become an online coach.
Become an online coach.
Become an online coach.
Create and sell online graphics.
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 Become a social media manager.
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 Start a flower shop.
Start a flower shop.
Start a flower shop.
Start a flower shop.
Offer translation services.
Offer translation services.
Offer translation services.
Offer translation services.
Start a clothing line.
Start a clothing line.
Start a clothing line.
Start a clothing line.
Become a book reviewer.
Become a book reviewer.
Become a book reviewer.
Become a book reviewer.
Become a resume writer.
Become a resume writer.
Become a resume writer.
Become a resume writer.
Start a coffee shop.
Start a coffee shop.
Start a coffee shop.
Start a coffee shop.
Offer music lessons.
Offer music lessons.
Offer music lessons.
Offer music lessons.